Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 1 from the exercise 2.4, and this exercise is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. This chapter is fractions and decimal, and this is the first question. So first question says that we have to divide, and in division there are three categories: whole number by fraction, then fraction by whole number, and the last category is fraction divided by another fraction. If you have doubt in any of this division, please go through the lesson number 3. I have given the link in the description. So the first question is 12 divided by 3 by 4. So here 12 is our whole number. Then this division sign we will convert it into multiplication, and then the numbers we will take reciprocal. So here we will get 4 divided by 3. What we have done? First thing is division sign we have converted into multiplication sign, and second thing is the number whatever is there after division, that number's reciprocal we have taken here. So this is 4 by 3. So here we are writing this as multiplication, 12 into 4 divided by 1 into 3. This is whole number, so we can imagine that 1 is in the denominator. So now we will see that if we can reduce anything at this step. So yes, we can reduce that. 3 4s are 12. So here answer we will get is 16 divided by 1. So 16 will be the answer. 16 is whole number. Moving towards the second numerical is 14 divided by 5 by 6. So first we will write 14. Then we will convert this sign into multiplication sign, and then we will write here 6 by 5, the reciprocal of this number. Now let us write this in a multiplication way, that 14 into 6 divided by 1 into 5. Let us check if we can reduce anything here. No, we cannot reduce anything. So 14 into 6. So 6 4s are 24. And 2 will come here. So 6 into 1, 6, and plus 2. So it is going to be 8. So 84. In denominator, the 5 will be there. Now this is improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 84 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5. We will get 3 here and 4. 7 5s are 35. So we cannot write that. So 5 6 are 30. So here we will get 4. So this will be the remainder. So answer here is 5. 4 will come at the top and 16 will be at the front. So 16 4 by 5 is going to be our answer. The third numerical. So third numerical is 8 divided by 7 by 3. So 8 we will write here. Then we will write this multiplication sign and we will take the reciprocal. So 3 divided by 7. So let us write this in the form of multiplication, that 1 into 7. 8 into 3 divided by 1 into 7. We cannot reduce this term. So let us write the multiplication, that 8 into 3 we will get 24 divided by 7. Let us divide this and write the mixed fraction of this. We will get 24 divided by 7, 21. So answer is 3 here. So that is going to be our remainder. So answer is 3 by 7. So this is a mixed fraction, and that is going to be our answer. The fourth numerical is 4 divided by 8 by 3. So here we will write 4, and then we will convert this into multiplication sign, and then we will take reciprocal of this. So we will write here 3 by 8, the reciprocal of 8 by 3. So now let us do the multiplication, that 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 8. Now let us check we can reduce anything or not. So yes, we can reduce. 4 2s are 8. So answer is going to be 3 divided by 2. This is improper fraction. So let us convert this into mixed fraction. So this is going to be our answer. That 1 by 2 is the answer for this question. Now the fifth question is 3. In division with mixed fraction is there. So we have to convert first mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 divided by 3. Now let us change this sign into multiplication sign. So 3 in multiplication with, now this number's reciprocal we have to write. So it is going to be 3 divided by 7. What we have done here, we have to do one step extra. That here they have given the mixed fraction and we have converted that into improper fraction. And then in the next step, followed by how we are doing and how we are following the division. So we have converted this division sign into multiplication sign and then we have taken the reciprocal. Now let us multiply this, that 3 into 3 in division 1 into 7. We cannot reduce anything here. So this is going to be 9 divided by 7. So this is again improper fraction. Let us convert this. So 9 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, we will get here 2. So let us write this, that 7 will be in denominator, 1 will come at the front and 2 will be at the top. So 1, 2 by 7 is going to be our answer. The last numerical is 5 in division with 3, 4 by 7. So let us write here first 5 in division with. This is a mixed fraction. We will convert this into improper fraction. So 3 into 7 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So 25 divided by 7. Now let us do as per the division method. That first we will convert this into multiplication sign and then we will take the reciprocal. So 7 divided by 25. Now let us write this as multiplication. That's 5 into 7 divided by 1 into 25. Now 5 and 25. So we can reduce them. That 5 5s are 25. So this is our answer, that 7 divided by 5. Now let us convert this into mixed fraction. That 7 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. We will get here 2. So answer is 5 will remain in denominator, 1 will come at the front and 2 will be at the top. So 1, 2 by 5 will be the answer.